Starting off here with a piece of 2-inch solid aluminum bar chucked up in the lathe, squaring off the end there. And we're going to drill it for 3 different sizes. The old air-cooled VWs throughout the years changed their thread size on their shift rod. There's 3 different sizes, and I want to make it so it'll fit any of those sizes. Here I'm using a forming tool. This is actually a tool made for a wood shaper. It's just high-speed steel, and I like the shape, so I figured I'd give it a try. Worked pretty well on this aluminum. I doubt it would work on anything harder, but it did fine for the aluminum. Here I'm sanding the finish. I started out with 100 grit, and I think I used 6 different grits all the way up to 1200. Not trying to get a mirror polish or anything, just want it to look good and feel good. And I know I should have covered those ways, and I didn't. But lesson learned, I'll do that next time. Now we've got chucked up in the mill. Obviously there are better work holding solutions than what I've got here, but this is basically a one-off, a prototype. I didn't want to make any soft jaws or anything, just for the one. And now we're putting a radius on this edge. This is something that should have been done in the lathe, but again, it's a one-off, and I didn't have the correct shape tool that I wanted. So for this one, we're just doing it in the mill. Now we're using a 1/4-inch 2 flute to rough out a pattern around the edge, and then an 1/8-inch 2 flute to clean it up, give it more detail. And now we're gonna engrave a picture onto the top. And here's the finished product. I tapped those holes. You can see the 3 different thread sizes down there. Nice finish on the edge, and a deburred and put a slight sand finish on the top. It's kind of hard to get a good image of that, but you get the idea. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.